So for this polynomial, we are adding the two polynomials together. So we have 4a minus 5 plus 3a plus 6. So the parentheses in this problem are not necessary because it's all addition. So we don't really even need that. So we're just combining like terms. So we have 4a plus 3a is 7a. Then we're going to take the constant of negative 5, make sure you take the sign with it, plus 6, negative 5 plus 6 is a positive 1. So your simplified answer is 7a plus 1. Okay, so for our second problem, we have 3p squared minus 2p plus 3 minus p squared minus 7p plus 7. Now, the difference here is it is a subtraction problem. You are subtracting the entire second polynomial from the first one, which means you have to distribute the subtraction sign to each term inside of the parentheses. So I'm going to distribute. You can write a negative 1 there if it helps you to remember that you are distributing and multiplying by negative 1. So you're going to have negative 1 times p squared, and you get a negative p squared. Negative 1 times negative 7p is a positive 7p. Negative 1 times 7 is a negative 7. And then we're going to bring down the first term because I don't have a multiplier. So I'm just going to leave it the same. Now, we're just going to combine like terms. So I'm going to look for any other term that has a p squared. It has to have p squared. Same variable, same exponent. So I'm going to take the minus p squared. So I have 3p squared minus p squared is 2p squared. Next, I'm going to look for a p. So I have a negative 2p and a positive 7p. Negative 2 plus 7 is going to give me a positive 5p. And then finally, I'm going to look at my constant, 3, and negative 7. So plus 3 minus 7 is going to give us a negative 4. These are not like terms because I have a p squared, a p, and a constant, so you are done.